In this video, I'm going to walk you through how you can start making some extra income using Warrior Plus, even if you're a total beginner. This method is 100% free to get started. You don't need any followers, you don't need prior experience, and you can do this from anywhere in the world. I'll also be sharing a free traffic source that gets millions of visits every single month. And before we jump into the full step-by-step walkthrough, make sure to smash that like button real quick. If you're new here, don't forget to subscribe to the channel and turn on notifications so you don't miss any future videos I upload. Alright, so the first thing you want to do is head over to warriorplus.com. I know a lot of you have commented saying that ClickBank isn't available in your country, so this is a great alternative you can use for affiliate marketing. Now, just keep in mind, Warrior Plus is a bit different from ClickBank, but honestly, every affiliate network has its own pros and cons. So once you're on Warrior Plus, you'll click on the sign up button right here. All you need to do is choose a username, create a password, enter your email address, check the I'm not a robot box, and then hit create an account. After that, they'll send you a confirmation email and you'll just need to verify your account. When you're logged in, you'll come up here, hover over the affiliate section, and then click on offers. This will take you to the offers page where you'll see tons of different products you can promote. This is basically the affiliate marketplace. And the best part about affiliate marketing is you don't need to create your own product. Other people put in the time and effort to build these products, handle all the tech, updates, and customer support, while your only focus is promotion. You're basically acting as the middleman who connects buyers with products they already want. This makes it perfect for beginners because there's no upfront cost and no complicated setup. When you start bringing in sales, you can earn commissions of up to 50% per sale, which is pretty powerful, and as you scale your traffic, those commissions can add up fast, even from just a few sales per day. Alright, before you choose an offer, there are a few important things you need to understand here. First, you'll see the release date, which just tells you when the product first launched. Next to that, you can see how many total sales that offer has made so far. And right here, you'll notice the conversion rate. So for example, if an offer has a 10% conversion rate and you send 100 targeted people to it, in theory, you could expect around 10 sales from that traffic. That's basically how conversion rate works. Next up, we have something called visitor value. This shows you how much money you earn per visitor on average. Now, that doesn't mean you get paid just for sending traffic. It only counts when someone actually buys the product. Then we have the average sale amount. This is roughly how much you'll earn each time you generate a sale. After that, you'll see the refund rate. This tells you how many people are asking for their money back. So if an offer has a 2% refund rate, that means about 2 out of every 100 buyers requested a refund. And finally, there's the pulse score. This is basically a performance indicator that shows how well the offer has been doing over the past few months. A higher pulse score usually means more activity, more affiliates making sales, and stronger overall performance for that product. Alright, so once you understand these metrics, you'll be able to choose offers on your own without any problem. You can filter products by different categories and decide which offer you actually want to promote based on the numbers. Now let's say you pick an offer you like. The first thing you'll do is open that offer and click on View Sales Page. You want to check if the sales page looks clean, professional, and easy to understand, because a good sales page usually leads to more conversions. After you've reviewed the sales page, go back to Warrior Plus and click on Request Approval. Here, you'll write a short message to the product creator. Start by introducing yourself, then mention that you're just getting started with affiliate marketing. You can also say that you'll be sending only targeted traffic, which helps improve conversion rates. Finish it off with a quick thank you, then click on Request Offer. Once you get approved, you'll see your affiliate link appear right here. This is the link you'll use to send traffic to the offer. Before we continue, I want to quickly share something I put together for those of you who are serious about making money with affiliate marketing and want a clear, proven roadmap. I recently released my own training called 13 Ways to Make Money with Affiliate Marketing. This is a full 6-hour step-by-step video course where I break down 13 methods that actually work right now. Not theory, not hype, but strategies you can realistically start as a beginner and scale over time. Inside the course, I walk you through things like faceless YouTube, AI blogs, TikTok funnels, Pinterest traffic, SEO sites, and more. I show you exactly how each method works, what tools to use, and how to avoid the common mistakes that hold most people back. I also include templates, resources, and a simple growth plan you can follow to start working toward consistent daily income. This is perfect if you don't have a big audience, don't want to show your face, and don't want to spend months guessing what to do next. And right now, I'm doing something special. The first 10 people who grab the course get a 50% discount. And I've placed the discount code right in the description below. Once those spots are gone, the price goes back up. So if you're watching this and you want a complete system instead of piecing things together from random videos, check the link in the description Use the discount code and I'll see you inside the training. Now let's go back to the sales page one more time and copy the URL of that page. Then head over to a website called Sejda.com. Once you're there, hover over all tools and click on HTML to PDF. This is what we'll use in the next step. Alright, so once you're here, go ahead and click on the Convert URL to PDF tab. Then paste the sales page URL right into this box and click on Convert HTML to PDF. Now, just give it a little time while it processes everything. Once the PDF is ready, click on Edit, and that'll open up the editor where we can make changes to the file. This part can take a few minutes to fully load, so just be patient. Okay, this next step is really important, so make sure you pay close attention. Once everything finishes loading, click on the links option. First, highlight the video section on the page and you'll see a pop-up appear. Here's where you paste your affiliate link. Just drop it in, then press the enter key on your keyboard. After that, you want to locate all the buy buttons on the page. You'll see one here, so highlight it, paste your affiliate link, and press enter. Then scroll down and find the next buy button, highlight it, paste your link, and hit enter again. Your goal is to connect your affiliate link to every buy button on the page, so make sure you don't miss any of them. Once you're done linking everything, click on apply changes, then hit download, and the file will start downloading straight to your device. Now, if you open up the PDF and hover over the sections where we added our affiliate links, you'll notice they're fully clickable. And when someone clicks on one of those links, it takes them straight to the offer page. So at this point, you've got the PDF saved on your computer, which is great. Now the only thing left to do is get people to actually see it. This is where traffic comes in, and this step is way easier than most people think. I'm going to show you a free traffic source that gets over 45 million visits every single month, and a lot of marketers are completely overlooking it. The website is called academia.edu. What's powerful about this platform is that people come here specifically to read documents, guides, and research style content. That means users are already in a learning mindset, which makes them much more likely to click links and take action. On top of that, you don't need a following, you don't need to create videos, and you don't need to spend any money on ads. You're simply uploading your PDF and letting the platform send you traffic over time. Head over to the site and click on the sign up button. From there, just enter your first name, last name, email address, and create a password. You'll be signing up for a free account. Once you're logged in, click on the upload button and then choose upload document. Here you can either click choose files or simply drag and drop your PDF right into the upload area. After the upload finishes, you'll complete the CAPTCHA and click continue. On the next screen, you'll select published work, and that's it. You're ready to move on to the next step. Alright, now, for the paper title, you'll head back over to Warrior Plus, just copy the main title of the offer and paste it right here. Then go back again and copy the short description of the product and paste that into the description section. For the publication name, you can simply use the name of the offer itself, then add the current year right next to it. After that, you'll want to add a few keywords related to the offer. Just think about what people might search for and add some relevant keywords that match the product. Once that's done, click on Save and Finish. After the upload is complete, you can open up your post and see exactly how it looks to other people on the platform. Now, the traffic source I just showed you works really well for affiliate marketing, but if you want, I can also show you how to promote this exact product using AI so you don't have to do everything manually. If that's something you want to see, comment AI down below, and if enough of you ask for it, I'll make a full step-by-step video breaking it all down. And as always, don't forget to drop a like on this video, subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in the next one.